Sakshi Malik is back home. The Rohtak girl landed at the Delhi airport and went straight to her hometown after bagging the first medal for India at Rio Olympics. Wrestler Sakshi Malik is back. She landed at the Indira Gandhi airport in the wee hours this morning. Visuals on your screen from the morning. She was received by her parents and several ministers from Haryana government at the airport as well. Grand preparations have been made to welcome the Rio Olympic bronze medalist wrestler. Before she heads to Rohtak, Sakshi will be also welcomed at Bahadurgarh, where prominent sportspersons, senior officials of the state government will felicitate her. We keep you updated with Sakshi's victory march. A look at the reactions coming in.
I have with me Sakshi Malik, who had won India's first medal at the Rio Olympics. साक्षी, जब आप मेडल जीते थे कैसी फीलिंग थी? तब आपको यकीन हुआ था आपने कितना बड़ा अचीवमेंट किया है?
जी, उस टाइम पे तो यकीन करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था. अब इंडिया आई हूँ, मेरा इतना अच्छा वेलकम हुआ है, घर वालों से मिली हूँ, बहुत अपनापन लग रहा है. तो अब जाके विश्वास हो रहा है कि हाँ, बहुत अच्छा कुछ हुआ है. जी, घर
आई हैं, बहुत लंबी फ्लाइट है, थकावट बहुत होगी, पर क्या प्लान है अब? सेलिब्रेट कैसे करना है?
सेलिब्रेट अभी तो पहले मैं गांव जाऊंगी. उन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट किया, हर इंसान ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, सबसे मिलूंगी. तो आगे के प्लान्स तो पता नहीं, बट जी.
और ये बताइए, आपका इतना बड़ा अचीवमेंट है, हरियाणा से आप पहली एथलीट, फीमेल एथलीट है जिन्होंने एक मेडल जीता. इनफैक्ट रेसलर आप पहली हैं, फीमेल रेसलर इंडिया के लिए भी. आपको पता है आपने कितना बड़ा अचीवमेंट किया, आप एक रोल मॉडल बन के निकली हैं, कितने लोगों को इंस्पायर करेंगी, वो आप समझती हैं?
जी बिल्कुल. मैं 12 साल से मेरा ये सपना था. मैंने जब रेसलिंग शुरू की, जब ये था कि मैं ओलंपिक्स में जाऊंगी और देश के लिए मेडल लूंगी, तो ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा सपना है जो पूरा हुआ है. और इस मेडल की वजह से बहुत लड़कियां और बहुत मतलब इंस्पायर होने वाले हैं. और आगे आने वाले आप टाइम में देखेंगे कि ओलंपिक्स में और ज़्यादा मतलब पदक और लड़कियां और ज़्यादा बढ़ चढ़ के आगे आएंगी.
बिल्कुल अच्छा करेंगी लड़कियां. आपसे क्या उम्मीद रखें हम टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में?
जी बिल्कुल. अभी इतना बड़ा कंपटीशन है, बहुत प्रेशर था. पहले क्वालिफाई, फिर ओलंपिक्स, तो बहुत प्रेशर था. अभी 4-5 दिन तो रिलैक्स है, उसके बाद फिर वही जो हमारा सेशन होता है सुबह शाम ट्रेनिंग.
डाइटिंग बहुत करी है आपने ट्रेनिंग के लिए, वेट मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. अब खुल के खाएंगी आप कुछ टाइम, और क्या खाएंगी ये बताइए हमें.
बिल्कुल 15-20 दिन से तो हमें बहुत डाइटिंग करनी पड़ती है. पानी भी मतलब लिमिटेड और खाना भी देख के. तो अभी मैं इंडिया आई तो ये बहुत मन है कि मैं घर का खाना खाऊं. जी.
क्या खाएंगे?
आलू के पराठे.
अच्छा, और मुझे एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि बहुत हम्बल बैकग्राउंड से आप आती हैं, आपने एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट किया है. फादर आपके डीटीसी में, हमें पता है कि आपने काफ़ी टाइम से उनको बोल रहे हैं कि भाई अब जॉब छोड़ दीजिए. अब आपको लगता है कि अब आपके पास एक ज़्यादा पावर है, आप ज़्यादा उनको इंसिस्ट कर सकती हैं कि भाई अब आप बैठ के आराम से घर पर रिलैक्स कीजिए, मुझे टीवी में देखिए, इधर देखिए, उधर देखिए.
जी बिल्कुल. मैं तो बहुत पहले से बोल रही हूँ, पापा छोड़ दो. पापा बोल तेरी जॉब लगेगी जब छोड़ दूँ. 14 में मेरी जॉब लगी, उसके बाद भी नहीं, लेकिन अब फाइनली वो छोड़ देंगे क्योंकि उनका भी बहुत बड़ा सपना पूरा हुआ है.
Sakshi, thank you very much, और many congratulations from all of us, and we hope you do even better in Tokyo. Thank you very much. So that was Sakshi Malik, obviously very ecstatic and is gearing up for a huge felicitation that is going to happen in the coming days. With camera person Anil, this is Rahul Rawat in New Delhi for India Today.
Now here's why Sakshi is called the Queen of Match. She is the first Indian woman wrestler to make the nation proud at Olympics at 58 kg category. She's from Rohtak. In her 20s, she's won the bronze medal for India. She also got silver at Commonwealth Games, and this is how her journey started. That she wanted to fly over a plane around the world, on the plane around the world, pardon me, and that's how she wanted to visit many countries across the globe, a dream that is indeed coming true. Many reactions coming in from the Haryana ministers as well. Take a listen.
देखिए, नीति के तहत 2.5 करोड़ रुपया हम साक्षी को देंगे. 10 लाख रुपया जिस कोच ने इसको तैयार किया है उसको देंगे. और हरियाणा से जितने भी खिलाड़ी जिन्होंने ओलंपिक में पार्टिसिपेट किया है सबको 15-15 लाख रुपए देंगे, और भी बहुत कुछ करेंगे. मैंने साक्षी को कह दिया है, अगर वो हरियाणा में नौकरी करना चाहेगी तो उसके मुताबिक हम उसको हरियाणा में नौकरी देने के लिए भी तैयार हैं.
So many accolades coming along Sakshi's way, also promises of giving her more support in future. But why the support is being given after she's won the accolade? What about when she's practicing for the match? Where was the support from the Haryana government? We talk more about that, analyze the wrestler's journey. But here's a look at that winning moment of Sakshi Malik and how she was made an Olympian.
Wrestling or kushti in Haryana has always been a man's world. The sport is synonymous with machismo, and it's hard to imagine a woman breaking the stereotype. But Sakshi Malik has done just that, and that too at the biggest sporting stage in the world. Born in Rohtak, Sakshi's father is a bus conductor and her mother an Anganwadi worker. In a state where girls are killed even before they are born, Sakshi's parents made sure that their daughter learned to get tough in the akhadas. A determined 12-year-old Sakshi was clear that she belonged in the wrestling ring, where she had to fight men.
कहने लगी मेरे को यही करनी है। मैंने कहा बेटा ये कुश्ती है। बोले कोई बात नहीं, मैंने कुश्ती करनी है। मैं कहा बेटा लड़कों का गेम है। कहने लगी नहीं, मेरे को लड़कों का ही गेम है, तो मैंने लड़कों का ही करना है। लड़कियां थी वहाँ काफ़ी, मैं कहा लड़के ज़्यादा करते हैं, हमारे यहाँ लड़कियां आगे नहीं निकलती। कहने लगी मेरे को यही गेम करना है।
The small town girl always had big dreams, and her love for travelling made her pursue the sport. As a child, Sakshi was fascinated by aeroplanes. Her middle-class family could not afford air travel, and so wrestling became Sakshi's ticket to make her dream come true.
आप पहले शुरू में जैसे कुश्ती में डाली ना, जब थोड़े गांव से प्रेशर आया था, फिर हमने डालने के बाद मैं मखा डाल दी ये भी एक कुश्ती करेगी। हमने किसी की नहीं सुनी गांव में, ना कोई भी कहीं हो, हमने सब इनकार कर दिया। मैं डाल दी कुश्ती कराएगी। और जब से उसके बाद में इसने पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा और आज इस मुकाम तक ये पहुंची।
Sakshi began training in 2002 and her immediate goal was gold at national tournaments. Sakshi announced her arrival in 2012, winning the Junior World Championship. Her international claim to fame was a bronze at the 2013 Commonwealth Championship. When she earned a podium finish at the 2014 Glasgow Commonwealth Games, she was finally accepted as more than a mere challenger. But the big test awaited her at the Olympics. All it took was just 6 minutes for Sakshi to leave her mark. India's first female wrestler to win an Olympic medal.
Sakshi Malik has just taken the bronze medal!
Sakshi's story from Rohtak to Rio is one that epitomizes determination and grit. From being an outcast in the sport to standing strong amongst the best. Sakshi Malik, take a bow. Sports Bureau, India Today.
So, well, cutting across to the latest visuals that are coming in right now from Haryana. This is how Sakshi Malik is being felicitated by her supporters. Rahul Rawat, my colleague, is on the ground to talk more about it. Rahul, first take us through which is the pit stop that you're at right now, and how is Sakshi Malik being greeted by her supporters? How many of them are there on the ground?
Well, it's a huge support, in fact, here for Sakshi Malik, and Sakshi Malik is on a felicitation spree today. She arrived early morning at 3:15 and was greeted by a massive crowd. You know, some of the government officials, top government functionaries, ministers from Haryana government, and a lot of people gathered there. From there, she went straight to Haryana Niwas, where she took some rest, and now she's right. The visuals that you just saw were from Tikri village, where Sakshi's father, who's a DTC conductor, his staff members had organized a felicitation ceremony here, a brief felicitation ceremony. Now she is headed straight to Badurgarh, where we are expecting Manohar Lal Khattar, Chief Minister of Haryana, to felicitate her, and will also hand over a check of 2.5 crore rupees. And from there, she will visit her maternal grandparents, and thereafter straight to Rohtak, and then to Mokra village, where she stayed. In fact, she was there when she was she was 3 years old. She was there, and after that she moved straight to Rohtak to get better training facilities for wrestling.
So what's the time that we're seeing Rahul right now that when Sakshi would reach where she is to be felicitated. But let me also take our viewers through the pictures that are coming in. Rahul, stay with me with that question because I want to show our viewers how many are now taking selfies with Sakshi. She was also felicitated with a garland made of notes and here you see the massive outpouring for what is being called Haryana's Sherni. She is Sultan Sakshi being given a welcome like a sultan who's come back home. So Rahul, when are we seeing Sakshi reaching her hometown as well, because she said while speaking to you she misses that aloo ka paratha at home.
To speak to her a couple of times and she said that because of her training she couldn't eat. In fact, even drinking water was an issue with her, but now she is going to get that home cooked food, and aloo ka paratha is something that she's been craving for and will finally get to have today. But as we see all these felicitations, I think she might not be able to reach Rohtak, her home before evening, because there are a lot of felicitation ceremonies that are lined up, and it's a felicitation spree that she is on today.
All right, Rahul, be with us. Let me also go across to Maha, who is with us at the moment. Maha, we understand you are at Sakshi's hometown. She is en route to her hometown and preparations already being done. Right next to you, we can see in the visual there is a guy who's beating dhol and getting ready for Sakshi.
Absolutely, Devina. It is these beating drums, the sound of these beating drums that are going to be welcoming India's bronze medalist, Olympic bronze medalist Sakshi Malik. Now this entire route to her house in Sector 4 of Rohtak, if I can just ask my cameraman to pan and show you, it's been lined by hoardings which felicitate and welcome Sakshi Malik back home. This is Sakshi Malik's residence, which is decorated with fairy lights, with hoardings, with beating drums. There are also flyers here, which I'll just show you in a bit. These flyers here which say Sakshi Malik, India's first female wrestler to win the Olympics bronze medal. These are also right here for people to pick up when Sakshi Malik comes here. In fact, you know, Devina, a short while back I went to Sakshi Malik's maternal grandparents' village, Ismaila, where they spoke to us about, you know, how she has inspired so many young girls to take up wrestling, which is traditionally, you know, a man's sport. And there was a lot of resistance here as well to allow women to become wrestlers. In fact, I have with me my colleague from Aaj Tak, Sanjay Sharma, who was here a few days back when Sakshi Malik won her medal. And, you know, he has a very interesting tale to narrate. Sanjay, जब आप यहाँ पे आए थे 2-3 दिन पहले, तब आपने यहाँ के लोगों से पूछा था कि साक्षी को अब मेडल मिला है तो शायद कुश्ती लोग अब अपनी लड़कियों को करने दे, लेकिन जब उसने शुरू किया था तो यहाँ के लोगों को बिल्कुल नापसंद था।
उस समय तो यहाँ के लोग, साक्षी के पिताजी ने खुद बताया कि जिस समय साक्षी को लेके अखाड़े में जाते थे तो गांव के लोग ही ये कहते थे कि चौधरी के कर रहा है, छोरी का खेल है के छोरी को कुश्ती लड़ा रहा है। तो उस समय उन्होंने गांव जाना बिल्कुल करीब करीब बंद कर दिया था, क्योंकि इतना उनको परेशान किया था। लेकिन अब उसी गांव में हम गए, सारे लोग बिल्कुल पलट गए, सारे बुजुर्ग वो करे ना ना हमने तो कभी विरोध नहीं किया और अच्छा है लड़की ने। इससे ये बात तो साबित होती है कि साक्षी के कांस्य पदक ने यानी ब्रॉन्ज ने यहाँ की लड़कियों के फ्यूचर को गोल्डन कर दिया है।
बिल्कुल। So Devina, there you have it. You know, she has gone through a lot of resistance from the society to be able to do what was very dear to her, and with this bronze medal she has proved that women, girls are no less than boys, and for a state like Haryana that's a very important message.
All right, Maha, stay with us. We'll come back to you. I can tell you Sakshi is en route to her home, so you will see the celebrations and people gathering around very soon as well. We have to slip into a short break, but before that, let me take you through the paradox that Haryana is seeing. You have Haryana's contingent for Olympic, in which you had around 12 women, which were part of the Rio contingent from Haryana, but this is the sex ratio in Haryana, 879 by 1,000, and worse still, Sakshi's hometown has 822 by 1,000. This is the dismal sex ratio in Sakshi's own hometown. Perhaps now things will change with Sakshi Malik being the queen of wrestling and inspiring many parents to encourage their girl child.